So, do I have to lawyer up in going to file for divorce in New York? My name is Sabra Assassin. I'm a divorce attorney in New York City, and I get asked this question all the time. And the answer is no. You have a lot of choices, a lot of options available to you if, in fact, your marriage is ending and you're going to be filing for divorce in New York. So there's 4 different ways that you can get divorced in New York. One is you and your spouse can figure it out on your own. You can go out to a coffee shop, you can scribble on a napkin, and you can write out all the terms of your divorce. What I recommend if you do that is to hire an attorney to draft up all the paperwork so that you know that you have it done accurately and we've filed in a timely manner. So you can do it on your own. If you're not able to do it on your own, another method that's not as costly as a litigated divorce, and I'll get to that a little bit later, is something called mediation. And so that means that you and your spouse will hire an independent neutral facilitator that's referred to as a mediator, and the 3 of you will work together in figuring out all of the terms of your divorce. So everything that would need to be worked out, whether you do it on your own or you go into court, can still be worked out, but with the help and facilitation of a professional mediator. And then after that, again, you'll need to find someone to draft up the paperwork and get it submitted to court for you. Another method is collaborative divorce. It's not used as frequently as would be great to because it's a little bit expensive. There's a lot of professionals involved. You have a mediator. There's a lawyer for each spouse, so there's 2 attorneys involved plus a mediator. There's usually also a financial neutral who will hear about all the financial aspects of the marriage and offer neutral advice and opinions and help you to figure out how to divide those in your divorce. And oftentimes there's also a mental health professional because, as you can imagine, going through divorce is a really emotional, it can be an emotional roller coaster ride. And so rather than having your emotions get in the way of finishing up your divorce, the person would be part of the process and help work with you as things are happening. And if there are children, sometimes there's also a child specialist who can be consulted and spoken with, or who can speak with your child independently and help introduce into those sessions the desires and wishes of your children. So that's a really fabulous way, but as you can imagine, there's a lot of professionals, so it's a little costly. And of course, the one that the most go-to position is to each of you retain your own counsel and go marching right into court, which once you do that, it's a very expensive game. There's no control in the outcome, and it could take a while and be quite costly both in time and money. So if you have any more questions, or if one of these methods of divorce sounds like something for you, give us a call at Sabra Law Group, 646-472-7971. We're happy to take your call.